Hi children. Today in this session we are going to learn Sadhuvartanam lesson Shloka 3 and 4. Third Shloka Koti bharah samarthanam kim duram vyavasayinam ko videshah savidyanam kah parah priyavadinam Koti bharah samarthanam kim duram vyavasayinam ko videshah savidyanam kah parah priyavadinam. We will divide the words. First one, ko atibharaha. In this, two words are there. Kaha atibharaha. First word, kaha atibharaha. Okay. And samardhanam kim duram vyavasayinam. In second line, ko videshaha. Like ko atibharaha, kaha videshaha. Okay. Ko videshaha. Savidyanam kaha paraha priyavadinam. Now Kaviparchayaha. This sloka is extracted from the lesson Sadhuvartanam. Okay. Padavibhagaha. Ko atibharaha, kaha atibharaha. Rest of the words samardhanam, kim, duram, vyavasayinam. These all are same only. Okay. Here again second line kaha videshaha. Ko videshaha, kaha videshaha. Savidyanam, kaha, paraha, priyavadinam. As it is you can write. Just put the commas. Next Anvayakramaha. This is very easy. See here kaha atibharaha samardhanam is there na. After this one question mark. After three words one question mark. Next kim duram vyavasayinam. After this one question mark. Kaha videshaha savidyanam. After this one question mark. Kaha paraha priyavadinam. After this one question mark. That's it. Anvayakrama is over. Only you need to insert after every three words one question mark. That is Anvayakramaha. Now we will learn Pratipadarthaha, word meanings. First one, kaha, who or what. Atibharaha, heavy burden. Samardhanam, of the capable people. That means no task is heavy burden for a capable person. Next, kim means what. Duram, far or distant. Vyavasayinam, of hardworking people. That means hardworking people can survive anywhere. There is no distant place for the hardworking people because they can do hard work and they can survive anywhere. Okay. Next, kaha, who, videshaha, foreign country, savidyanam, of the well educated. Here also, well educated person will get respect anywhere in the world. If you are having knowledge, you will get respect automatically. So, there is no foreign place for the well-educated person. And last one, kaha, who, paraha, other person or stranger, priyavadinam, of soft-spoken people. If you are speaking softly, smoothly, then everybody will become friends to you. Then for soft-spoken people, there is no stranger for the soft-spoken people. Summary. In this world, any task is not at all burdensome for the capable. There is no distant place for hardworking people. There will be no foreign place for the well-educated. No person will be stranger or the other one for soft-spoken people. Grammar, Vyakaranam. Out of these four questions, any two questions you can write. First one, ko atibharaha. Here in these two words are there, kaha atibharaha, ko atibharaha, visarga sandhi. Similarly, ko videshaha, kaha videshaha, ko videshaha, this is also visarga sandhi. Again here, kaha, kauke, kim, ke, kani are there na. The root word is for these words is kim. In pulling, kaha, kauke, this is prathama vibhakti. Okay, kim ke kani is napunskaling and this is pulling word. Okay, understood? Now, fourth sloka. Chakshusha manasa vacha karmana cha chaturvidham prasadayati lokam yastam loko nuprasidati. Chakshusha manasa vacha karmana cha chaturvidham prasadayati lokam yastam loko nuprasidati. We will divide the words. Chakshusha, manasa, vacha, karmana, cha, chaturvidham. These all words, just put the comma and write all the words. Prasadayati lokam. Here in this yastam, yaha plus tam. These two words are there. Loko anuprasidati also. Lokaha anuprasidati. So here only dividing words only two are there. Rest of the words as it is you can write. Okay, understood? Kaviparchayah. This sloka is extracted from the lesson Sadhuvartanam. Padavibhagaha. Just now we discussed every word is individual only except this yaha tam and lokaha anuprasidati. Here you need to write yastam, you need to divide like yaha tam, loko anuprasidati, lokaha anuprasidati. Rest of the words just put the commas and write it. And anvaikramaha also very easy here. This yaha lokam is there na. This yaha and lokam you bring it here. Okay, first you write yaha and next one lokam. Rest of the words remove the commas and write everything as it is. Here you see yaha lokam chakshusha manasa vacha karmana cha chaturvidham prasadayati tam lokam anuprasidati. Same. Okay, understood? In this sloka, the poet is conveying us that this world is like a mirror. That means our actions will be reflected on us. That if we are approaching others with a smooth manner, we will get the same manner from them. If we are approaching others in a harsh way, we will get the same from them like a mirror. That means our actions are reflecting us. Okay. Here the first word, Pratipadarthaha, if you see, the first word is yaha, who. Prasadayati, pleases or makes happy. Lokam, the people, the world. Chakshusha, by the eyes or by looks. Manasa, by the mind or thoughts. Vacha, by speech, that means with our words. Karmana, by actions, by deeds. Chaturvidham, in 4 ways. That means a person should please others, should make happy with 4 ways. What are those? With his speech, with his appearance. By looks means with his appearance, with his thoughts and with his actions. If they approach others like that, from others also they will get the same. So, lokaha, the world, the people, anuprasidati, in return becomes pleased, tam, him. Understood? Summary of this sloka is, in this world, if a person pleases others in 4 ways, what are those 4 ways? Through pleasant looks, that means with appearance, and with good thoughts, and sweet words, that means speaking softly, and good actions, with their actions, good actions. Then others will also make him happy. That means this shows that people in the world return to us whatever we give them, like a mirror. Understood? Vyakaranam, grammar. Chatuhu vidham, chaturvidham. Okay, here in the place of visarga we got ra, visarga sandhi. Loko anuprasidati, lokaha anuprasidati, loko anuprasidati, visarga sandhi. Vacha vagbhyam vagbhihi. This is tritiya vibhakti vach shabd. Okay, like in your shabdrups, tvach or tvak shabdrup is there. Like that, vacha vagbhyam vagbhihi. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.